Hello. Okay, so I'm going to give you guys a quick little tip or trick. This was actually my dad's idea, which I think is great. Any of you that have been out on the ice and it gets really cold and you have your tub of minnows, they all freeze together. They're really difficult to dig out. And yeah, you don't ever really get a nice solid minnow. They bust into pieces, super frustrating. So my dad had the great idea of thawing them out, separating them on a cookie sheet, letting them refreeze, and then putting them back together so that they're all frozen separately. I'm going to do half a container because I don't want to take a whole container at a time. I don't need to. Yes, I'm wearing gloves. I'm a wuss, but I don't want my fingers to stink like fish. So yeah, I'm just going to lay out probably about as much on this tray as I can fit. And then when they're nice and frozen separately, I'll just put them in a Ziploc bag, put them in the freezer, and they will be good to go for my next fishing adventure. I won't be struggling to bust apart minnows out on the ice. I'll just pull them out of my bag, fancy free, hook them up, and catch some fish. All right, that's all I'm gonna do because that's about half the containers. I'm going to pop them outside because it is cold enough outside for them to freeze. And we are well on our way. All right, so the appropriate amount of time has elapsed. These guys are frozen solid to this sheet of wax paper. So now I will transfer them over into my Ziploc bag. And they will all, whatever, get fishy hands, it's fine. They will all be frozen separately, nicely in this bag. And so the next time I head out, hopefully Saturday, I will have easy access to all these guys. And I won't have a hard time getting rigged up and ready to go. Roll these out, get all the air out of the bag, and into the freezer they go. Hope you guys enjoy this little tip and trick. Use it for yourselves.